Hello students. So continuing from our previous video, in this video I will take few more problems on 1 and on 2. So first one, if you see over here, he has asked thrice in annual exam. 3 times he has asked. So there is a function from R plus. R plus means it indicates positive real numbers. So positive real numbers to another set starting from 4 up to infinity. So closed interval is there, so including 4 up to infinity. So function he has defined it as f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Show that it is bijective, means you are required to show function is 1 and on 2. So if I take first 1, so first 1. So you remember students how we are taken. So for 1, first we take let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. So if you solve this, you should get x1 is equal to x2. Now I will substitute in this given function. So I will have x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. Take all terms to the LHS. If I take this to the LHS, 4 gets cancelled. I will have x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. Now again I will apply a plus b, a minus b. x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Now if you see here, x1 plus x2 will not be equal to 0. x1 plus x2 will not be equal to 0 because these terms come from positive real numbers. So if both are positive, addition is there, then there is no chance of getting 0. So I will write because x1, x2 belongs to R plus. So this is not equal to 0. Means compulsory which has to be 0? x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So take x2 on that side, you will have x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f of x is 1. F of x is 1. Clear students? x1 plus x2 will not be equal to 0 because both x1 and x2 belong to set R plus, that is positive real numbers. So this is not 0. Means compulsory x1 minus x2 will be equal to 0. You will have x1 equal to x2. Now second, we will see onto. So if I take onto, second one onto. So for all values of b belongs to 4, infinity. So b will be from this second set, that is from 4 to infinity. A should belong to R plus. So you should get A belongs to R plus. So again I will take let f of A is equal to B. F of A is equal to B. Then I will solve this and find the value of A. So f of A, if I substitute, I will have A square plus 4. Therefore A square plus 4 is equal to B. Therefore A square is equal to B minus 4. Therefore you will have A is equal to root of B minus 4. Now you can check. B starts from 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. A is 0. Then if you substitute 5 minus 4, 1. A will be 1. If you substitute B as 6 minus 4, 2, A will be root 2. So you will get all real positive numbers, you will never get negative. So this belongs to R plus. Therefore we say f of x is onto. F of x is onto. Clear students? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು b ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 ದಿಂದ 4, 5, 6, 7 so on, a ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. 4 ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ, 0 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ. 1, 5 ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ 5 minus 4, 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 6 ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ root 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. There is no chance of getting negative, therefore A belongs to R plus function is onto. So if it is both 1 1 and onto, then we say that it is a bijective function. Therefore f of x is bijective. Therefore f of x is bijective. Clear, students? So for 5 marks he has asked. So you can note down, then we'll go for the second one. So now students, if we take second one, there is a function from A to B, means our A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B. Condition is that A consists of all real numbers except 3. B contains all real numbers except 1. So you are required to show that given function is both 1 1 and onto. So you are required to show that it is 1 1 and onto. So again first I will take 1 1. So for 1 1 I will take, let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now substitute in given function, in place of x substitute x1, in place of x substitute x2 for RHS. So you will have x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Now cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3. Now multiply both sides. So simplify. So now if I multiply LHS, so if I multiply these two, so I will have x1 into x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6 is equal to. If I multiply RHS, I will have x1 into x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 plus 6. Now take all the terms to the LHS. So now if we take all the terms to the LHS, x1, x2 gets cancelled, this becomes minus gets cancelled, similarly 6 gets cancelled. So you will have minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to minus 3x2 minus 2x1. Now I will take this to the LHS. So I will have minus 3x1. If I take this to the LHS, plus 2x1 minus 2x2, if I take, I will have plus 3x2 equal to 0. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, so you will have minus x1 plus 3 minus 2 will have 1 plus x2 equal to 0. So you take one term on the RHS, so you will have x1 is equal to x2, therefore f of x is 1 1. F of x is 1 1. Clear, students? So first I have substituted, cross multiply, then simplify both the brackets. So some terms get cancelled, remaining all terms you take to the LHS. If you simplify, you will get x1 is equal to x2. So if I have x1 is equal to x2, then we say that f of x is 1 1. Clear? Now we will see onto. Second, I will check onto. So for onto, again you take for all values of b, a should belong to a. So if I take onto, so for all values of b belongs to, b is in second set, that is r minus 1 belongs to b. You are required to show that a belongs to a. Means b belongs to set b, means b will never take value of 1, a will never take value of 3. So again if I start, let f of a is equal to b. So again substitute a in given function, a minus 2 divided by a minus 3 is equal to b. Now simplify this and find the value of a. Simplify and find the value of a. So a minus 2 is equal to, if I cross multiply I will have ab minus 3b. ab minus 3b. Now take a term having a to the LHS and terms which do not have a to the RHS. a ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ LHS ಗೆ ತಗೋರಿ, a ಇಲ್ಲದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು RHS ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ a ಇದ್ರೊಳಗದ, ಸೊ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದಿ LHS. ಸೊ a minus ab is equal to, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ a ಇಲ್ಲ RHS ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. So you will have 2 minus 3b. Now take common a, you will get value of a. So a into bracket 1 minus b is equal to 2 minus 3b. Therefore a is equal to 2 minus 3b divided by 1 minus b. Now if you observe here, it is in the form of a rational term, that is p by q, means denominator should not be equal to 0. When the denominator will be 0? When b is equal to 1. But condition is that b belongs to set b, therefore it is never equal to 1. So denominator ಯಾವಾಗ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ? b value 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. b value 1 ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ b ಇದ್ರೊಳಗದ. Except 1, it can take any other value, so this will not be equal to 0 denominator. So you will get a as a real number belonging to a. So this belongs to a. So here I will write b is not equal to 1. This is given. b is not equal to 1, therefore a belongs to capital A. So if it belongs to a means, then we say that therefore function is on 2. So f of x is on 2. Therefore you can say the given function is bijective. Clear students? You can again solve. We'll go for the third one. So now if I take third one, so this has appeared twice in annual exam. So function from natural to real. Here he has defined function, it is a quadratic term, 4x square plus 12x plus 15. So show that function from n to s, where he says s is range of function. So in last video we have solved 2 problems similar to this. So if I take n is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. S is range of this function, he says, means if you put x is equal to 1 in this quadratic term. So if you put x equal to 1, you will get 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 15 is 31. So first term will be 31. If you put x is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4, 4, 16, 16, 24, 16, 24 is 40, 40 plus 15 is 55. So second term will be 55. Similarly, if you put x equal to 3, 3 square 9, 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 36, 72, 72 plus 15, 72 plus 15 will be 87. So on you will have. So means our a will belong to n, b will belong to s. So function is f of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now again we will check both on 1 and on 2. He has asked us to show that it is bijective. Show that means compulsory it should be 1 1 and onto. So if I take first one 1 1, if I take 1 1, so let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So substitute x1 and x2 in this given function. So if I substitute, I will have 4x1 square plus 12x1 plus 15 is equal to 4x2 square plus 12x2 plus 15. So in LHS I have substituted x1, in RHS I have substituted x2. Again take all these terms to LHS. So if you take to the LHS, 15 gets cancelled. So you'll have 4x1 square. So if I take this to the LHS, minus 4x2 square plus 12x1 minus 12x2 is equal to 0. Now simplify this. So in these two I can take a common 4. So 4 into bracket x1 square minus x2 square plus in these two I will take 12 common. So I will have x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Now among these two terms I will take x1 minus x2 common. This I can write it as x1 plus x2, x1 minus x2. So in that I will take x1 minus x2 common. So if I take x1 minus x2 common, so here 4 remains. If I take x1 minus x2 common from this bracket, so I will be having x1 plus x2. Clear? So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ a square minus b square formula apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2. ಅದ್ರಾಗ x1 minus x2 ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಉಳಿತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ x1 plus x2 ಉಳಿತದೆ. Now here, if I take x1 minus x2 outside, here remains is 12, bracket complete equal to 0. Now here again if you observe students, so our term x1 and x2 belongs to natural numbers, means all terms are positive. x1 and x2 belongs to natural numbers means positive. So this square bracket will never be equal to 0. So therefore 4 x1 plus x2 plus 12 is not equal to 0 because x1 comma x2 belongs to n. x1 and x2 are natural numbers, so this bracket will not be equal to 0. Means compulsory which one will be 0? x1 minus x2. So therefore x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So if you take x2 on that side, you will have x1 is equal to x2. Therefore function is 1 1. Therefore you can write f of x is 1 1. Clear students? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a plus b, a minus b ಹಚ್ರಿ, x1 plus x2, x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಉಳಿತದೆ. So this will not be equal to 0 because they are natural numbers. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದಾವ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 0 ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು 0 ಆಗ್ತದ? x1 minus x2. So you will have x1 is equal to x2. Therefore function is 1 1. Now we will check onto. Second, I will take onto. So second, onto. So in onto, for all values of b belongs to yes, a should belong to n. So for all values of b belongs to s, a belongs to n ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. We are required to prove it. So again I will take let f of a is equal to b. f of a is equal to b. Now again substitute a in this quadratic term. So you will have 4a square plus 12a plus 15 is equal to b. Now I will take this 15 to the RHS. So I will have 4a square plus 12a is equal to b minus 15. Now this you are required to convert it into perfect square in the form of a plus b whole square. So I will write this as, just see students, I will write this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So illen b square ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು is equal to b minus 15. So now this 4a square plus 12a I will write it in this form. So here a square. So 4a square I can write it as a 2a bracket square. So 2a bracket square is 4a square. So 2 times 2ab. So this term will come over here 2a. So b means you should multiply these 3, you should get 12. So 2 into 2 4. 4 ಎದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ 3 ದಿಂದ. So here you should have 3. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, so you'll have 12a. So b square, square of this, that is here you will have 3 square. So just I'll remove this, else you will get confused. So this term will come over here, again this term will come over here. So 3 square. So this plus 3 square and minus 3 square gets cancelled. Again the same term remains. Clear ada? Heng barada anteli first itrada square, that is 2a bracket square anta itkondene. 2 times this same term is over here. 2 into 2 is 4. I should get 12. So 3 into 4 12. So here 3 comes. 3 again it will come over here. So same term is here minus. If this gets cancelled, again I will be having same. Now if you take terms from here to here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So 2a plus 3 whole square, 2a plus 3 whole square minus 9 is equal to b minus 15. Clear students? So this whole term up till here it is 2a plus 3 whole square. This minus 9 is equal to b minus 15. Take 9 to the RHS and simplify. So if I take 9 to the RHS, so I will be showing over here. So if you take 9 to the RHS, so this is 2a plus 3 bracket square is equal to b. If you take 9 to the RHS plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, minus 15 plus 9 is b minus 6. b minus 6. So take root on both sides. So if you take square root, so you'll have 2a plus 3 is equal to root of b minus 6. Now pass this 3 to the RHS. 3 to the RHS. So you'll have 2a is equal to minus 3 plus root of b minus 6. Therefore a is equal to minus 3 plus root of b minus 6 whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Now you can check. A should belong to natural number. A should belong to this natural number. B belongs to this S. So if you substitute 31 over here, so B value, first value will be 31. B first value 31 irtada. It will never be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 30. 31 if you substitute. 31 minus 6 is 25. 25 root is 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So you are getting 1. If you substitute 55. 55 minus 6 is 49. 49 root is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Similarly, if you substitute 87, you will get 3, so on. So you can say this belongs to n. A belongs to natural number. Therefore, f of x is onto. F of x is onto. So if a function is both 1, 1 and onto, we say it is bijective. Clear, students? So you can go through these problems once again, so that you will be perfect in this first question of 5 marks.